Good morning everybody. For this initial video of the Hoover Electra, I'm going to be seeing how it copes with our king size set of sheets. Shouldn't be a problem, but we'll see. There's the tiny little 4 kg drum. So yeah, I'll load these in and we'll see how we go. Okay, that's all loaded in. That went in nice and easy, so shouldn't be a problem. For detergent, we're going to use Omo Sensitive. I hate the smell of regular Omo. I really don't like it, but I do like Omo Sensitive because I can use a fabric softener and it doesn't overpower. One scoop of that. Don't need much more. Putting it in this side because this is the hot and warm side. The sticker is over there and I need to re-stick it on because it just came completely off. So normally you would put detergent in this side if you were just doing a cold water wash or a pre-wash, and in this side if you're doing a hot or a warm wash. So it's just because of the way the valves are set up. So, oops. As usual, just get that a little bit there before it goes into the actual wash. Filly. That was just a little drop of Lenore Blue just down there among all my array of detergents. Right, for this cycle we're going to use a hot wash. We're going to engage the heater, so it'll boost it up to 60 degrees. The cycle, we're just going to use a normal wash because these have only been on the bed for a few days, but I'm just wanting to freshen them up, but I'll still do a normal hot wash for them. Actually, better put it right up there because I think it tells you in the user manual to put it at the start. Anyway, we'll see. And here we go. Power on. Oopsie-daisy. The machine just did the initial tumble, my phone cut out halfway through, but as you can hear, the heater is activated. So it does one tumble to distribute the washing powder and dissolve it, and then it sits and the 2400 watt heater comes on, and that's what you can hear now. Machine is advanced into wash. I love that timer. So we're into the last couple of minutes of the wash now. Here we go. So on each tumble it distributes to up to 100 RPM. So it like electronically controls the distribution. First rinse, 1 of 5. The rinse is at the same level as the wash, so quite a high water level, and same tumble pan. So on the 4th rinse, there'll be an interim spin after this rinse. This will have an interim spin. The only interim spin in the 5 rinses is just prior to the final rinse. on pre-wash or final rinse. So conditioner rinse basically. Final rinse. That's about it, guys. Afterwards it just clicks off, there's no anti-freeze, there's no nothing, it just clicks off and then waits 2 minutes to open the door. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.